Today we are going to start part 11 of hydrocarbons. Reactivity of alkynes versus alkenes. Alkynes contain two pi bonds, yet they are less reactive than alkenes towards electrophilic addition reactions. Most of the addition reactions of alkynes are catalyzed by heavy metal ions such as Hg plus 2, Ba plus 2, etc. While no such catalysts are needed in case of electrophilic additions to alkenes. This lower reactivity of alkynes as compared to alkenes towards electrophilic addition reactions is due to the following two reasons. Number one, due to greater electronegativity of sp hybridized carbon atoms of a double bond. The pi electrons of alkynes are more tightly held by the carbon atoms. Then pi electrons of alkenes are hence easily available for reaction with electrophiles. As a result, alkynes are less reactive towards electrophilic addition reaction. Due to cylindrical nature of pi electron cloud of alkynes, the pi electrons of triple bond are more delocalized than pi electrons of double bond. In other words, the pi electrons of a triple bond are less readily available for addition reactions than those of double bond. So, alkynes are less reactive than alkenes. Chemical reactions of alkynes. Number one, acidic character of alkynes. The hydrogen atoms attached to the triple bond of alkynes are acidic in nature. Number one, formation of alkali metal acetylides, ethyne and other terminal alkynes or one alkynes react with strong bases such as sodium metal at 475 Kelvin. For example, CH triple bond CH when react with sodium, then it gives CH triple bond Na positive and H2. The same reaction was in alkenes also. I think now you are very much familiar with these type of reactions. During these reactions, the acetylenic hydrogen is removed as a proton to form stable carbon anions. Sodium acetylide is decomposed by water, regenerating acetylene. This shows that water is stronger acid than acetylene and thus displaces acetylene from sodium acetylene. Formation of heavy metal acetylene. Acetylenic hydrogens of alkyne can also be replaced by heavy metal ions such as silver, copper ions when treated with ammoniacal silver nitrate solution, that is Tollens reagent. Alkynes form white precipitate of silver acetylides, CH triple bond CH and Tollens reagent. Now it will give silver AgC triple bond CAg and water and ammonia. Formation of alkynyl Grignard reagent. Acetylene and other terminal alkynes react with Grignard reagent to form the corresponding alkynyl Grignard reagents. CH triple bond CH when react with RMgX, it gives CH triple CMgX and RH. This reaction was also in case of alkenes we have done earlier. Now what is the importance of this reaction? Number one, for separation and purification of terminal alkynes from non-terminal alkynes, alkanes and alkenes. Number two, to distinguish terminal alkynes from non-terminal alkynes or alkenes. What is electrophilic addition reactions? The electrophilic addition reactions of alkynes take place in two steps. C triple C when add on X2, triple bond changes to double. Upon further addition of X2, double bond changes to single. Number 1. Addition of halogens, chlorine and bromine readily add to alkynes, first forming 1,2 dihaloalkanes and then 1,1,2,2 tetrahaloalkanes. CH triple bond CH when react with CCl2, this is Cl Hc triple bond CHCl plus CCl2, then it gives Cl2 Hc single CHCl2, same with Br2. During this reaction, the reddish brown color of bromine is decolorized and hence this reaction is used as a test for unsaturation, that is for double and triple bonds. Addition of halogen halides or halogen acids. Halogen halides adds to alkynes. Their order of reactivity is Hi, HBr, HCl, HF. These additions occur in accordance with Markovnikov's rule from first vinyl halide. CH triple bond CH and HCl. This is CH2 double bond CHCl. Again addition of HCl, double bond changes to single. When acetylene is passed through dilute HCl at 338 Kelvin in presence of Hg plus 2 ions, as catalyst, only vinyl chloride is formed. Reaction is CH triple bond CH. When react with HCl, it gives CH2 double bond CHCl. With hydrogen bromide, first a vinyl bromide and then an alkylidene dibromide is formed. CH triple bond CH. When react with HBr, triple bond changes to double bond and further addition double bond changes to single bond. In presence of peroxide, anti-Markovnikov's addition of HBr occurs. In presence of HBr, reaction is shown, and in presence of HBr and RCCOR, reaction is shown. Let us start with the mechanism. In case of mechanism, first of all, H positive of HX attacks the triple bond. So carbon of doubly bonded will become positive and again X negative will attack to this positively charged carbon and it will take place according to Markovnikov rule. Since carbocation 1 is stabilized by positive resonance effect of halogen atom, while carbocation 2 is destabilized by negative effect of halogen. Therefore, reaction occurs through more stable carbocation forming 1,2-dihaloethane. Addition of water, that is hydration of alkynes. Alkynes cannot be hydrated as easily as alkenes because of their lower reactivity towards electrophilic addition reactions. Further, dilute sulfuric acid as catalyst, hydration occurs readily. Under these conditions, water adds to the triple bond to form an enol which readily tautomerizes to the corresponding carbonyl compound. Reaction is shown. CH triple bond CH react with water in presence of acid. Unstable doubly bonded compound formed. Then ethanol is formed, CH3CHO. If you are increasing more number of alkyl groups, reaction is following the same procedure, carbonyl group is formed. Unsymmetrical terminal alkynes, addition occurs in accordance with Markovnikov's rule. If the unsymmetrical alkyne is non-terminal, a mixture of two isomeric ketones is obtained, in which methyl ketone predominates.